we are doing drop cones, and it will be a banana drop cones. You have a banana there, ripe banana. I have my margarine, sugar, 8 teaspoon, salt, half teaspoon, yeast, 1 tablespoon, 1 egg. I have my all-purpose flour here, shifted already. I have my warm milk, 1 cup, vanilla, 1 teaspoon, and I have my tools here. And I think I will need a masher to make it work easier. So I will use this masher to mash my bananas. First of all, I will add the dry, actually not even dry ingredient. I will add my yeast and salt to all-purpose flour. Mix it. The next step, I'm going to cream my margarine. Add margarine, sugar, and egg in a bowl. Whisk it until it's well combined and froth it. Today I'm trying this recipe for the first time. I've always used banana in my pancakes and bread or cake, but for this, this is the first time I'm doing it. I trust the outcome will be amazing. With banana, you can't go wrong. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to mash my potatoes until it's well done. Soft. If you have blender, you can as well blend this. My banana is well done. I'll transfer it in a bowl of that mixture. I'll whisk again until it's well combined and frothy. I will add vanilla essence and I will go in with my flour bit by bit, and I add my warm milk little by little. I will use my spatula to mix. You can as well use your hands to do this. It's only that I don't want to get my hands so messy today. Keep on mixing, adding flour and milk bit by bit until you get the perfect consistency. I will use 2 cups of milk. Always when you are using yeast, make sure your liquid mixture is warm, not cold. The warm mixture, milk or water, will activate the yeast. And remember, for the sugar, when you're using banana has natural sugar. So you don't need to do a lot of sugar, and that is up to you anyway. It depends with your taste bud. I think this is the right consistency I want. I'll wrap it with a cling film. Then I'll cover it with a kitchen towel and let it rest for 1 hour until the butter doubles the size. Cover with a kitchen towel and keep it aside. It's been 1 hour. Let's check on our dough if it's ready. Yes, it's ready and it has double the size. Now I'm going to deep fry it. In my stove, my oil is already heating, and the flame is on medium. I want it to get hot before dropping this. It's quite unfortunate my camera is not showing the butter, but it's well done. I will just go ahead and deep fry them. What I'm trying to do is to remove the air. I will use this ice cream scoop to scoop my butter. The oil is ready. Just drop them like that. That is why it's called drop scones or drop mandazi. My butter is a little bit thick because of the bananas. If you are not using bananas, you should have a slightly lighter butter. So I will start flipping them from the first one I dropped. Keep on flipping them to make sure that it doesn't get burned. Look at the beautiful color that is coming out. Guys, I'm still pleading with you, those who have not subscribed. Kindly support my channel by subscribing. Hit the notification bell to get notified once I upload a new video. And like, show me some love. Press the like button, give me a thumbs up, and share the link with your friends, your siblings to help me grow. This is a simple recipe. You can try it and enjoy a quick fix breakfast with your loved ones. If you have yeast, you see those bananas that are overripe, they are very good on this. Try this recipe and bring back your feedback in the comment section below. It's been nice having you around. I'm so grateful you've watched this video up to the end. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. So I will show you another method of scooping the butter without using hands. This is by using 2 spoons. Put them in the oil so that the butter doesn't stick. You scoop with 1 spoon and the other one scrape it off like that. So simple. No more struggling with hands. The mandazi are beautiful and the aroma here is heavenly. Look at that. By the way, I have a second channel where I'm sharing about sister lock and micro locks, maintenance, establishment, and retightening. Many of you here know me and they know I'm a loctician, so they've been asking me why I'm not sharing my work in this channel, and I find it so funny mixing food with air. No, it cannot work. So I decided to open another channel. So for those who'd like to know something about sister lock or those who have locks, I will share the link here and you can join that other channel too. My mandazi is well done. It's ready. Now let's see how it looks in the inside and how it tastes. Remember, this was trial and error. I love the outcome already. Look at it. No oil inside and very soft. And the taste, wow, it tastes wow. It tastes wow. And the aroma. It was nice hanging out with you. See you